Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have here the washing machine. It's an LG front load washing machine. So on this video, I will show you how to remove the control unit. So the electronic control unit, when I did the diagnostic, the drain pump was not working. So I checked the current or the voltage is the voltage output is there, but the problem is sometimes during operation, especially in continuous washing, the drain pump is not working and it's giving an error code. So what I did a diagnostic and I found out that the problem is from the control unit. So let me show you how to remove the control unit. So if you have a washing machine like this, any front load, they are mostly similar. So we'll start now how to dismantle the control panel. So the first thing we need to do, obviously you have to disconnect the power line. That is for safety. And then remove this soaping cabin. Remove the soaping cabin. And then we remove the screws here. Okay, there are two screws. Using a cross screwdriver, you can easily open it like this. And like this. Because if you send your washing machine for repair, sometimes it is too costly. The technician is overcharging. So we successfully removed the screws. Next is we have to open the other two screws here at the back. So these other two screws we're gonna open. After opening two screws, you have to push this like this. See, that is how it is easy to remove the front cover or the top cover. So after removing the top cover, you will see that this is the drum and this is the counterweight. So we have to open these two screws. And then there is another one here. After opening the screws, you have to keep it up and then disconnect all this cable. So what I suggest, before disconnecting this cable, you need to take a photo of it. So take a photo so you will know where to connect. Because sometimes the connector are the same, it can fit on the other position. So if you take a photo, you can able to know, and you'll have the reference when fixing it back. Okay, so disconnect here. You have to press the lock. Disconnect here. You have to press the lock. As well as here. And then here. And then this port. This port is very crucial. You need to take photo of this because they can fit and they can interchange. So here two cable, here is one cable. And then disconnect this, also this. Now the electronic control unit is already open. Next step is to remove this screw and this screw also. And then take a flat screwdriver to lift up from the lock. There is a push lock here. Be careful not to break it, as it's only PCB. So we just simply take it out, and then we open. Okay, so here you go. Now you can see here fine traces of black smoke or burn circuit. So if you look at here, I'd notice that there is this component here, the transistor. It's burned. So either you replace this or take it to the electronic shop, where they can replace this part. Okay, so as you see here, there is traces of that is burn. That is why the drain pump does not work. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you learn something from this. We will be going to conduct more washing machine repair after this. So to fix it back, the same, just fix it the same it was. Connect here, put the screws, insert here again, and put the top screw, and then you can slide the cover back. Okay, please, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, so I'll be more inspired to teach about the repair and to save costs. If you are from if the technician is not reachable, you can easily fix it by yourself. Just be safe. Always follow the safety precaution. Again, God bless everyone, and have a nice day. Thank you.